Welcome to our channel, guys. Today we're gonna see how to make 5x 10x profit from a pre-sale or a pink sale, guys. Okay, that could be the awesome news for the right now situations, guys. Right now, a lot of people are making a lot of profits, 5x 10x profit from pink sale or pre-sale, guys. Okay, so how we can make 5x 10x profit from pink sale, we can see here, guys. Okay, this is the pink sale website official page, guys. Okay, pinksale.finance. This is the official pink sale page. You can click on pinksale.finance. You can open it, guys. Okay, this is a home page. If you want to create a new token, or if you want to launch a new token, you can everything you can do here, guys. Okay, but easily you can't scam it here, guys. Okay, because a lot of things you need to work for it to launch a token. Okay, let's get into one by one. If you want to connect to our wallet, you can click on connect wallet. You can trust wallet or install or MetaMask or wallet connect. You can do whatever, guys. Okay, right now I am not connecting. I'll tell you all the details how to participate or how to take 5x 10x coins, okay? 5x 10x profit in this pink sale, guys. Okay, so those who are participating in pink sale, those who want to participate in pink sale, I mean, a lot of companies will conduct the pre-sale in pink sale, guys. Okay, so if you are committing your BNB and you can participate in pink sale and you can earn more than 5x 10x profit, guys. Okay, so let's get into the video, guys. Okay, so this is the official pink sale finance homepage, guys. Okay, click on three line, guys. Okay, this is the launchpad. Okay, create launchpad, guys. Okay, create launchpad. Just click on create launchpad. Okay, this is the create launchpad. If you want to create a token, you can create and you can launch in pink sale, like, guys. Okay, but there is a lot of formalities to launch in pink sale, but that not as per easy as you think, guys. Okay, so this is the launch pads and create fair launch, create token and launchpad list. Okay, click on launchpad list. Okay, this is the launch page. Currently a few coins are ongoing on pre-sale, guys. Okay, this is the coin, guys. Okay, this is the coin. This sale starts in 21 hours, guys. Okay, so the hard cap will be 30 BNB to 50 BNB, guys. Okay, so 50 BNB. Okay, so up to 50 BNB and the liquidity will be 60%. Lockup time 30 days, guys. Okay, so the name is virus killer token and baby octopus dough that will start in 1 day 5 hours, guys. Okay, so these coin are not verified KYC, guys. Okay, so that's the thing, only you have to see, guys. Okay, and this token is live right now. So total commitment will be 20 BNB right now. 0.3 BNB filled, guys. Okay, so these token also not KYC verified. So these no companies are not verified the KYC, guys. Okay, so see here, fantasy token. This is the company, they finished the audit as well as the KYC also they finished. So you can just join in the pink sale, guys. Okay, because if they are finishing the KYC, damn sure they need to launch the token. They can't rugbull. Okay, so sure they need to launch the token. Okay, why? Because if their hard cap will be 100 BNB, 50 BNB will be locked. If they are launching the token in PancakeSwap or anywhere else, then only the locked 50 BNB they will be redeemed. They will be get returned, guys. Okay, if they are not launching, they won't get returned from the 50 BNB from the pink sale, guys. Okay, so they will launch surely because half 50% amount will be locked, guys. Okay, so KYC, if these kind of things are there, KYC verified, so you can join in this, guys. Okay, this will start in 2 days 5 hours. And this COVID-19 recovery token also sale is live right now. 20 BNB hard cap and 14.9 BNB raised right now, guys. Okay, so Shiba Dodge came. This also audit finished, but KYC not. Okay, so the lot of coins are ongoing in this pink sale, guys. Okay, but you should select or you should research about the coin and you can join, guys. Okay, if you research about the coin and if you are joining, you can make easily 5x 10x profit, guys. Okay, damn sure on that, there is no doubt on that, guys. Okay, so a lot of coins are avoiding. Okay, example, we can click on one token and we can check it. Example, this sale is live right now. COVID-19 recovery token. This is also KYC verified. We can't click on view pool. Okay, click on view pool. Okay, this is the thing, KYC verified and sale is live right now. And pre-sale address. Okay, if you want to join in this pre-sale, you have to send BNB to this address only, pre-sale address, guys. Okay, token name COVID-19 recovery token, and token address also they are given. Total supplies this much, token for pre-sale this much, swap capital will be 20 BNB, guys. Okay, listing on TangoSwap. Okay, pre-sale started already and ended will be in this time, guys. Okay, liquidity percentage 80%. First release after 100 days, guys. Okay, so these are the things they are given, and if you have BNB you can commit and you can join, guys. Okay, so I'm not connected to the wallet yet, so they are not showing my BNB balance, guys. Okay, if you are connected to your wallet, your BNB balance will be shown here, guys. Okay, and here minimum amount will be there, like minimum maximum will be there, you can join, guys. Okay, so here if you have BNB, this will end in 22 hours 18 minutes, guys. Okay, if you have BNB you can click on this max and you can buy. Okay, if you are buying you can directly transfer the BNB to that address and you can join in this pink sale, guys. Okay, and you should select the worthy token, guys. Okay, you should select the worthy token. If you are selecting good coin you can make 5x 10x profit, guys. Okay, because pink sale, you know, from pink sale, if some company is conducting the pink sale, they can't rug bull easily, guys, because a lot of formalities are there, so they can't rug bull easily and escape from there, because a lot of formalities there, more than 50% is locked by them. Once if they launch the token, then only they will get 50% refund, so there is a lot of formalities are there, so they can't easily rug bull, guys. Okay, so you can trust and you can join in pre-sale, guys. Okay, so but choose the best companies, choose the best token, best coin, guys. Okay, research about the coin, guys. You do your own research, guys. Okay, research it and then you can join the pink sale, guys. Okay, so you can make sure, you can damn sure 5x 10x you can easily make it, guys. Okay, so damn sure that will happen, guys. Okay, so these are the just procedure, guys, easy ways. If you have BNB you can click on max and you can buy it, guys. Very easy method, guys. Okay, so nothing much. Okay, so I'm not joining in this pink sale. I will always research about all the coins coming. Lot of coins coming in pink sale as well as pre-sale. Damn sure everything we will research it, and good coins we will share on our channel, guys. And I'm sure we will join in upcoming pink sale, guys. Okay, and we will make 5x 10x profit, guys. Okay, don't miss any gems. Okay, and don't forget to join our Telegram group, guys. Okay, all the updates will share in our Telegram group, and all the upcoming events as well as upcoming things, everything will be shared in the Telegram group. So don't miss the gem, guys. Okay, upcoming pink sale or pre-sale, everything you will be shared in the Telegram group, and don't miss one. Okay, if you don't want to miss 5x 10x profit, just join in our Telegram group and keep updated, guys. Okay, I'm sure we will update everything, and you can make sure if you are joining in the pink sale, upcoming pink sale or pre-sale, you can make 5x 10x profit, guys. Okay, that should be the pink sale finance launchpad, guys. Okay, so upcoming details about the pink sale we will be sharing in the next video, guys. Okay, finally you can join here, trustworthy, guys. Okay, they can't easily rug bull here, guys. Okay, that's the best thing here in the pink sale, guys. Okay, thank you so much, guys. See you in another great video, guys. Thank you.